Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Mark's Garage. Thanks for tuning in. So on today's episode, we're going to show a video of how to take off the top of the Jeep, unbolting all the bolts, sequence of operation. We're going to use the winch inside the garage to pull it off and pull it up. So check it out.
Let's do it like this.
Let's get the All right, team, so we've got the top off the Jeep. We've got it on the ground. We've got it hooked up to the winch slash pulley system. It's strapped onto the top. You might be wondering what the gallon of water is there. As I lift it up, I can move it around a little bit just to get the top to be perfectly balanced. Also, I have a bungee cord on the back of this just to keep the rotation where I want it to be as it raises up, okay? Okay, so pretty simple. It's out of the way. I'm gonna raise it up a little bit more, but right now, this is good for now. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful for you to see exactly how to take the bolts off the Jeep top in the right order, and to also use a power winch if that's the way you want to go, to make it easier to take the top off by yourself. So that's it. See you next time in Mark's Garage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.